Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel where we explore the wonders of history and architecture. Today, we have a special treat in store for you as we take you on a captivating journey through time. We are here at the magnificent 1876 Heritage Estate Home, a true gem of the past that has stood the test of time. Join us as we uncover the fascinating stories and intricate details of this extraordinary historical masterpiece. Let's dive right in. The 1876 Heritage Estate Home is a remarkable residence that transports us back to the opulence and grandeur of the late 19th century. Situated on the vast expanse of land, this architectural marvel is a testament to the craftsmanship and elegance of that era. As we approach the estate, we are greeted by a stunning feast that immediately capture our attention. The majestic columns, intricate carvings, and the sprawling verandas all contribute to the undeniable charm and grace of his historic home. Every historic home has a space dedicated to knowledge and escape. And this estate is no exception. The Liberty, with its floor to ceiling bookshelves filled with leather bound volumes, invites us to get lost in its pages. The cozy armchairs and soft lighting create an ambience that is perfect for relaxation and contemplation. Stepping inside the estate, we find ourselves in the grand foyer, a space that exudes sophistication and warmth. The exquisite detailing on the walls, the ornate chandelier hanging from the ceiling, and the carefully preserved period furniture all create an ambience that transports us back in time. Moving forward, we enter the drawing room, a space designed to impress and entertain guests. The high ceiling, intricate plasterwork, and the richly adorned fireplace make it a true feast for the eye. It's not hard to imagine the lively conversations and elegant gathering that took place here in the past. Adjacent to the drawing room, we find the opulent dining room. The The long dining table, surrounded by beautifully upholstered chairs, speaks of lavish dinner parties that were once held here. The ornate china, silverware, and crystal glassware showcase the refined taste and attention to detail of the homeowner. No historic estate would be complete without a library, and this one does not disappoint. The walls are lined with shelves filled with leather-bound books and literary treasures from around the world. The cozy sitting areas and the soft lighting invite us to immerse ourselves in a good book and escape the outside world. Up terrace, we explore the bedroom, each one uniquely designed and furnished with period pieces. From the elegant four-poster bed to the intricate wallpaper pattern, every detail has been carefully preserved to maintain the authenticity and charm of the era. Stepping outside, we are gathered by the breathtaking gardens surrounding the estate, the meticulously manicured lawns, vibrant flower beds, and the tranquil water feathers all create a sense oasis, inviting visitors to wander and appreciate the beauty of nature. To truly understand the significance of the 1876 Heritage Estate Home, we have the privilege of speaking with a local historian and the current owners. Let's hear their insights on the historical and cultural value of this architectural gem. The 1876 Heritage Estate Home is a living testament to our rich history. It showcases the architectural style of the late 19th century and provides a glimpse into the lives of the people who once lived here. Preserving such properties is vital for us to understand our past and ensure that future generations can appreciate our heritage. We feel incredibly fortunate to be the custodians of this magnificent estate. We have dedicated years of meticulously restoring and maintaining its original feathers, ensuring that its historical significance is honored. Sharing this property with visitors allows us to spread awareness about the importance of preserving our architectural heritage. As we conclude our tour of the 1876 Heritage Estate Home, we are left in awe of the beauty, elegance, and historical significance this architectural masterpiece. It serves as a reminder of the rich prosperity of our past and the importance of preserving our cultural heritage for generations to come. Being the custodians of the 1876 Heritage Estate is a tremendous responsibility and a labor of love. We have dedicated countless hours to restoring and preserving the home's original feathers, ensuring that its unique character and historical significance endure. Sharing this home with visitors allows us to honor its legacy and share its beauty with the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating explorations of history and architecture. Until next time, remember to cherish and celebrate the wonders of the past. Goodbye.